Don't try this at home. We just wait for the bees, guys. This one need to pollinate when it opens. So get a bucket now. Alright, so I just go and file up my machine to get it sharp. Sometimes I farming, I do farming. Sometimes I lose and sometimes I win. Right now I lose. Yeah, so when I check out my live and you hear me say donate fertilizer, yeah, it can be some shit. Yes, people. So right now I'm in a little pumpkin patch. Yeah, man. It's beautiful. Crazy amount of pumpkin, guys. Yes. Anyone I'm a subscriber close by know anybody raising any animal, any chicken, any goat, or I can get some manure, please link up in the comment section. Yeah, I'm depending on you guys. Please, if you know anyone, some dry manure. So when I say I need some fertilizer, I'm talking any fertilizer. Okay? Especially natural organic fertilizer. Yeah, so when I check out my live and you hear me say donate fertilizer, yeah, it can be some shit. Yeah, it can be some animal shit. Okay. Right now, I want to get this plant to move right now. But we have a drought now, time hot, so I'll get it in one bucket. You want 5 gallon bucket. Yeah, 3 of them. So comment in the comment section what kind of plant is this. So I get it in a 5 gallon bucket so it can strive and bear in it. Yeah, man, beautiful. Get a bucket now. Alright, so I'm gonna get some stuff in it, some grass, some organic material. Yeah, man. Beautiful, my beautiful people. This is the first one I see so far. From them vine here, guys. Some monster vine, you know, people. A young one here right here, so. I'm just wait for the bees to come pollinate this one when it open. Yeah, I'm just wait for the bees, guys. This one need to pollinate when it open. Next one down here, so 3 of them look on one vine, guys. So close them there. 1, 2. This one down here, so 3. So as the bees come, we just wait for the bees to just go and pollinate it through. Right, Joe. Beautiful okra. Pepper for bees, guys. Yeah, man. Monster quality pepper, people. Yeah. Alright, so I get my file and I'm sharpen my machine. So I just go and file up my machine to get it sharp. So when I cut the tree, it cut more easier. I'm jumping up. And this is the respawn, guys. You can see clear now, guys. You see? 20 feet in a year and I've got that. With a machete. Don't try this at home. So people have all of them things have to move right now. Get all of them move up. So now the pumpkin can get some light. Crazy amount of rock. People, I tell you something, I want to cry. Sometimes I'm farming when I do farming. Sometimes I lose and sometimes I win. Right now I lose. I'm plant tree drop down. I have to cut it. Go chop it off for the pumpkin. Blow down, the breeze blow it down. Just start shooting and now I have to kill it. Right, that's the pressure and then I have to stick your catch it up our fence. People look how going. Pressure come down upon it and broke it down on the pumpkin, people. Jaja. Like one crying on people and they just start shooting up. Yeah. You not shoot and broke down on people. Okay. 2 of them shoot one time now. Because they on the pumpkin, you can't stay here, so. Chop it down. You get Eat it off a pumpkin. Choose how I shoot, you know. The papa eat for him, me just done mash up my own to get the plate them clean up, fresh up back again. Until the next time. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.